Hi there. We're going to work on blending some sounds to make some real and some nonsense words. So let's practice the first few by making the sound of the card that I hover over, and then we'll blend those sounds together. And then we'll see if the last few words we can read all together without breaking them up into their parts. So first, let's start. We have bull, st. Blast. That's definitely a fake word. How about this word? Bull-ast. Blast. Real word. Good job. Okay, follow along with me. We have spul-a-nk. Splunk. Very good. Dream. Dream. Coat. Coat. We have a lot of real words in this stack today. Toe. Very good. Brain. Brain. Clay. Clay. Joy. Good. Let's see if the next few words we could read without breaking them up into their parts. So we have a consonant LE word here, and let's just remind ourselves that when we have a consonant LE word, we want to look by removing the last card, by removing the consonant LE, to see what's left here. So we have a vowel that's closed in by a consonant. It's not open, it's not standing by itself, it has a consonant closing it in, and that means that the vowel sound is going to be short in this word. So we have the word stubble. Good job. Here we have something a little bit different. If we take off the consonant LE part of the word, we have an open vowel, right? There's no consonant here closing it in. So when we have an open vowel, that means the vowel is going to say its name. And so we have the word bridle. Bridle. How do you think you say this word? The word is topple. We have our new sound here. You can see our vowel card has the aw sound. We have the word fault, haunt, ost. We have our other aw sound here. Remember, a W says aw at the end of a word. We have jaw, thaw, and straw. Good job, friends.